Alright guys, so I got into the fuse box and there ain't many of them, that's for sure. Let me get a light. This thing has hardly any fuses. I think it has about, I don't know, 12 fuses. So anyways, I got the old test light out and I got it connected to the negative. And you know, normally when you go like this, if you have a draw, the light turns on. Well, it doesn't turn on, so nothing's really drawing that I can tell. So I'm gonna get the voltmeter and see if I can figure out anything else, but I'm kind of stumped for now. It's getting kind of late. Probably gonna go edit this video and call her a night. Cause yeah, I got a 4-day weekend and not really much going on, so I can work on this as much as I need to. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see some more Land Rover Defender stuff, let me know. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you next time.